First of all, people need to understand why they should change. Second of all, go for the behaviors, change behaviors and reduce barriers that right now block some certain kind of behavior.
Thank you for investing your time for doing these and for trying to like have better results as a team. So thank you so much.
I would definitely recommend this workshop to people, and I think it was really useful. And I got to know all of you a lot better, and I'm happy I participated.
Those moments are the ones which also just help me to remember why this is so close to my heart. So thanks everybody for their honesty as well, especially at the current times. Not being able to be together makes it even harder, and then working together and just diving into those hard topics so directly with people that some of us haven't even met in person. It's just really nice.
Thank you all.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Fabian, for being a great host. We just loved how you brought all the things together so that we have a good session. Special thanks to you.
Thank you.
I mean, you are very authentic, and I do really appreciate that in every single one of you. And good job. We spent 12 hours together.
Okay, thank you all a lot. As I mentioned,